Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. This is our science lecture of 6th class, chapter number 3, photosynthesis and respiration in plants. Today we will start its next two question answers, question number 14 and question number 16. Question number 15 I have skipped, that we will see later. Question number 14. Write word equation of the process of respiration. The word equation shows the process of respiration. Then equation I have mentioned, glucose plus oxygen, they are making carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Then question number 16. Where does respiration occur? Respiration occurs in mitochondria of every animal and plant cell. Students, these both questions you will write on your notebook and you should write neat. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.